In this video, I will show you how to get more matches on Hinge. You know, getting hundreds of matches on Hinge every single day is easy. So if you're getting 0 or less than 20 matches per day, then you need to follow this simple strategy. Yes, it's not magic. It's about uploading photos that stand out on your profile. This is one trick I've tried myself and it's working. Yes. You don't need magic, just good photos on your profile, and the matches will start rolling in. It's simple. But the question is how and where are you gonna get these photos? You see, when it comes to taking photos on a dating app, lots of people think you need to go to the photo studio to shoot good photos. That's a waste of time, man. You can do this with your phone or laptop with just a click. All you need are some of your normal selfie photos and you're good to go. I'm gonna show you a powerful AI tool which is trending right now, and this will do all the work for you. All right, go to the video description and click on the first link. You'll be redirected to this website. Now, go ahead and sign up for an account, else you won't be allowed to use this tool. Once done, you're gonna get this same page. Now listen, you need these kinds of photos to get more matches on Hinge. But to generate these kinds of stunning photos, the first thing you're gonna need are some photos of yourself. I don't mean you should go to the photo studio or hire a professional photo editor. You can just use your smartphone to take some photos. So gather at least 10 normal photos of yourself, then let's move on. All right, to start, we need to create a model. Yes, this will serve as the base image, allowing us to create eye-catching photos for our Hinge profile. Hope you get it. All right, so we're gonna do this by clicking on the tab here. Now listen, to get the best result, you need to read these instructions. This will guide you on the photos to use and the ones you don't need to include. Here, you can see that you shouldn't upload a photo of you wearing hats or sunglasses. You also have to avoid filters and makeup. Yes, this tool will make you look good. So don't worry about makeups or filters. All right, click here to upload your photos. You should upload at least 10 photos, so take note of that. All right, if you check here, you'll see 10 files are selected, meaning we have 10 images uploaded. Now we need to give our model a name, then select a gender. Good, let's click on the Create a Model button here. All right, so you can see the tool has started generating our model. Now, all you need is to wait a little and the model will be created for you. All right, let's click on Select Model, and here you can see the model we just created. So now that the model is created, we need to start generating the photos. I'm talking about the photos you're going to use to attract more matches. It's a simple process. Simply select the model by clicking on it. Now we need to select any of these templates here. Let's try the first one here by clicking on the green button. Click Yes. Now you can see the tool is generating the photos for us. All right, let's check the results. You can see it's amazing, and you can't get the quality even if you hire a professional photographer, and you won't even notice it's AI because it's so real. If we compare it with the original photos, you'll see it's the same person, but in different outfits, poses, and different environments. This is simply amazing. All right, let's try another template and see the result. Let's click on Packs. This time, let's try the Instagram template. Now, click on Yes. Then let's see what comes up. This tool is mind-blowing. Just check the results. All right, so there are lots of templates you can choose from, so I recommend you try it all to get enough photos for your profile. This is simple. If you start uploading these photos on your Hinge profile, you're gonna get more matches than you expected. You can also write a good bio with this tool, and you also generate openers that gets replies, and it can also generate instant and witty replies tailored to your unique situation. This helps you improve your conversations. In fact, this is the secret that no one is sharing with you. So you need to give the video a like and subscribe for more tricks. See you in the next one.